In a fast changing world, the biggest treasure of our small world is our children. The future of our nation depends on providing our children with a complete education. To fulfill this need, Santamira English Medium School is set up in Ganeshpur, Hindalga area by Janakalyan Trust from the academic year 2022-23. Janakalyan Trust is prominent social organization of the city, serving in various fields of social concern with the sole motto of Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. It has taken up various projects like blood donation camp, health checkup camps, women empowerment centers, etc. Janakalyan Trust schools are affiliated to Vidya Bharati, which is involved in the field of education with the vision man-making by seeking to integrate Sanskriti, Sanskar and traditional sports in formal education. We know every child is a gifted spirit, bustling with energy, potential and ideas, which is need to be channelized in the right direction. Prayer is to ensure a fresh and positive day. It is to release stress and anxiety. It aids to develop consistency and self-discipline. In our school, students are made to sit on ground for the prayer. It enhances flexibility and general muscular fitness. It is a kind of physical exercise. It gives a sense of being connected to the Mother Earth. Our unique feature is our daily prayer. Starts with Agnihotra Home. Now why this Agnihotra Home? Because it develops positive effect on children's brain and nervous system development. It prevents the growth of bacteria. It acts as a protective sheet. It also gives the positive vibes. Like every journey begins with the first step, the school academic year started with Vidyarambha Home. Vidyarambha Home is a traditional religious function in which a child is given initiation for education. Guru Vande Matru Rupam, Guru Vande Pitru Rupam, Guru Vande Karunamayam, Guru Vande Sujnanamayam, Guru Vande Siddhi Pratham, Guru Vande Buddhi Pratham, Guru Vande Vimalamatim, Guru Vande Amalakrutim. Guru has always been considered akin to a god in Hindu culture, and the parents, being the first teacher in their child's life, take responsibility to develop respect, kindness, honesty, courage, self-discipline, compassion, and many more values, which is given by teachers and parents to be appreciated and honored with gratitude. To symbolize this, the students of Santamira performed Path Puja of their parents and teachers on this auspicious day. The color of tradition and culture infuses with academics. At Santamira, Deepavali, the festival of lights, is celebrated with the great pomps and energy. Students made padvas out of cow dung, which taught the children to keep in touch with their age-old tradition without any hesitation of handling it. The importance of Dhanateras, Bhai Dooj, Govardhan Puja, Padwa, Mata Lakshmi and Kuber Puja was depicted through group activities. Grand celebration of light, that is Deeposava, was celebrated along with the Matru Mandal special invitees and nearby residents. Everyone sat together to Diwali snacks, that is Farar, which were brought by them to share lovingly with each other. It helped in building new bonds with a great sense of caring and sharing. The whole school was illuminated with diyas, which was an eye-catching moment and filled the hearts with the joy and unforgettable memories. A special and unique factor about Sant Meera is the formation of Matru Mandal Committee. It is to create a better communication and strong social bond between the parents and the school. Matru Mandal Committee is full of enthusiastic mothers who actively took part in all the activities of the Posava celebration at Sant Meera. In our school, all cultural activities provide an ideal platform for students to showcase their creative talents through different activities. Beginning nutrition education in early childhood is an important part of helping to ensure that children will achieve a healthy lifestyle. A child learns better if his classroom learning is consolidated further by real life experiences. Keeping this in mind, children performed group activity wherein students created national symbols using food grains and vegetables. We believe that parents need to make nutrition education a priority in their home environment. It is crucial for good health and longevity to instill in our children sound eating habits from an early age. Students are engaged to participate and learn new sports and activities with complete set of sports accessories and a vast playground. Children are encouraged to possess sports as a career path. Sant Meera English Medium School aims at making students successful individuals and better citizens by providing them with the wholesome education system. At Sant Meera, we recognize that the most impressionable age in a child's life is the pre-primary age. Our innovative approach to teaching at pre-primary wing gives the child firm foundation to rely on throughout his life. The curriculum for pre-primary takes care of the personal, social, behavioral, intellectual, communication and motor skills. The education toys, books, storytelling session develops a constructive learning environment and helps in building basic cognitive skills in child. Sant Meera School has taken an initiative to teach Sanskrit language to all the students, as Sanskrit is regarded as an ancient language in Hinduism, an extraordinarily complex language with a vast vocabulary. It is still widely used today in the reading of sacred texts. While some things need to be changed with the changing times, some need to be remain unchanged. Hence, to keep our tradition and culture thriving alive, students of Sant Meera are made to learn and chant shlokas and Bhagavad Gita. Chanting shlokas helps to improve concentration and memory. Shlokas are in Sanskrit, which is the mother of all languages, and hence will certainly help children learn other languages as well. We don't just educate students, we empower them. We go beyond academics and help them gain skills for life. Students are provided with immersive and interactive experiences through well-equipped amenities. At Santamira, teachers act as a facilitator and instill a love for learning. They encourage students to look beyond the textbook and explore the world. We take an extra care in upgradation of our faculty through persistent training program in various aspects. This will instill confidence in parents and the academy starts growing, giving consistent good results. The journey of our students does not end with the quality training alone. We believe in the perfect ambience for productivity. We don't work merely to secure a good academic year. We work towards shaping leaders of tomorrow, leaders in various fields. At Santamira, we know that success is where preparation and opportunity meets. Leaders of tomorrow spring from the correct opportunities today. Thank you.